Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 9 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first of all, you should go to settings, and here just scroll down with your finger and find the sound and vibration section. Tap on that, and right there you can see the silent and DND that's turned off now. So at the moment all sounds work normally. So if we'll switch here to the silence, all your calls and notification will be silenced, and the DND, that means that the sound sounds and turn off vibration except for the alarms. So for example, we'll turn off the silent mode. Also, if you wanna switch that, you can just here tap the regular. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.